what's going on, guys? We're back with another video today. If it's your first time, this is it. If it's your first time, no, I can't. I'm not. Just welcome to the vlog. And if you guys remember this truck, this is the truck that my last video it overheated, or I know it didn't overheat. Just something started leaking. I'll have him explain to you guys what's going on. But he's pretty much just sitting here. Playing in my dirt, I don't know, testing his two-wheel drive. He saw the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive video and said, you know, because we have Dodge and Chevys, it's a piece of crap and he could do it in two-wheel drive. So I guess let's see what he can do. I don't know. What do you think? You think he'll be able to do it in two-wheel drive?
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah. Well, it's a Ford though. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, are you sure you think he'll do it? I don't think so. I don't think he will. Okay, well, let's go see. Guys, I'm in the Ford. I got my co-captain and my pilot, my co-pilot. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's test it. Should we try two-wheel drive first?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll do Ford low.
Yeah.
Now, do you think this will make it out in two-wheel drive or no? Yeah, well, we're gonna go back there, but do you think it's gonna make it out of here in two-wheel drive? No, I didn't think so either. All right, well, let's see what it's got. Martin's going to be the cameraman. Let's do it. All right, guys, right now we are in two-wheel drive. Now, this truck has a two-wheel drive, and then it's got, what is this, lock?
Yeah, it locks the diff.
Okay, so we're gonna try in regular two-wheel drive, and then I will lock the diff and see if that helps at all. So right now it's in regular two-wheel drive. Let's see what it can do. Let's try it one more time. Looks like it did okay in two-wheel drive. It was starting to lose traction, I noticed a little bit. Now, what I want to try though now is the two pretty much lock and see what that does, see if we notice it any better. So it looks like this truck will make it if I pretty much give more gas or smash the throttle, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for pretty much traction. If I'm sitting there spinning, I don't consider that, you know, as good traction. So now I'm gonna put it in 4 high and see RPM range, how much gas I gotta give and how that does. We're not moving yet. Okay, so looks like it got right out. I had to go about 1,500 RPMs and then it crawled right out. Alright guys, now we're going to try it in 4 low. 4 high did good, no real issues. We're in 4 low now. It's in drive. Pulled it out. And let's see the RPM range in 4 low. So already I had 1,000 and it's already pretty much crawling up it. Well, not bad, guys, not bad. I'm pretty impressed with the Ford. But, is this thing pretty dirty now? I feel bad.
Yeah, I think we should wash it.
All right, let's give it a bath. What did you think? How did the Ford perform? Oh, you want to take the camera? Okay, go ahead, tell the world. What do you think? They can't see you. Tell them what you thought the Ford did. How do you think it did? Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know what you thought of the Ford and how it did in 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4 low. I think the Ford is not bad of a truck. You know, I'll give it to it now. Whatever. Buy one? Probably not. I gotta stick with my main girl right here, the GMC, because she's obviously #1 and the best. But the Ford didn't do too bad. And what happened with that leak? What was going on? Everybody's wondering.
The day before, when we changed the water pump, they had to pull off the whole radiator and everything. One of the hoses didn't get plugged in all the way.
So mechanical error.
Mechanical error.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Guess can't handle the load, so. Well, that's all we got for you.
Can't handle what?
That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, smash that thumbs up button. And don't forget to click that subscribe. Thank you guys. Peace.
Yeah.